Hey, what's up guys? I am back today with one more video. We will see how Claude Code works. I am going to create Angular 21 project with Angular material design as a library. Now, as you can see on the screen, I'll first explain the prompt. The first part of the prompt explains which Angular version and which Angular material design version is to be used. I want two components to be created by Claude Code. One is the login component and another is user registration component. The login component will have email address and password for login. For added security on the login page, we will use mathematical captcha. Basically, we will generate two random numbers between 1 to 9 and ask user to provide addition of these two numbers as input. The validation as of now will be done on the client side, that is Angular side, as we are not writing any APIs as of now. This is the username and password for login. Then the user registration component also. The user registration component will have these fields on the registration page. All the above fields are text inputs and mandatory fields. Only the country field will be a selection box and it will have below values for the country. This component will also have mathematical captcha for added security. Here, once the registration is complete, we will save the data in browser's local storage as of now, because we are not dealing with APIs and database at this point. I have already installed latest version of Node, that is 24.19.0, and I also have Angular version 21 installed. Okay, now I will open up VSCodium editor. After opening the editor, type Ctrl+Shift+X. It will open up the extensions library. Here we need to search for Claude. We will choose the first one, the one with Anthropic as the publisher. Since I have already installed it, I have uninstall button. Now, once you install it, you will get Claude image on the right side, top side. Once you click on the image, you will get a login pop-up. You need to log in first using your Claude Code account. Once it's done, you will get a text box for adding the prompt. Now let's see how Claude Code works. I will copy paste my prompt and add it in Claude Code window. Do make sure you write clean, clear-cut and precise prompt so that Claude can give you the appropriate output. Now I am typing enter. Claude Code will now study my prompt. We will come to know how many number of tokens Claude is using. Claude is now trying to check my Node version. It has detected 24.19. Now it is allowing me to add npm Angular CLI version. But since I already have it, I think it will skip it. Claude is detecting my Angular projects library. It is asking me to go to the directory and will create a new app. Angular is Claude Code is now installing Angular material design. I'll click yes. It's good to see Claude Code asking for permission every time. This is what we need. It is always better to explicitly grant permission every time. Claude is now creating login component. Under Angular routing, the login component route is getting created. User registration component is getting created now. Meanwhile, let's go to our disk. I'll go to my disk. See here under my home directory, I can say Angular projects folder, and here the secure app folder is created. This is where my project is getting created. It looks like Claude has completed the code. It is now building the Angular projects for checking for errors. It looks like it has found an error. It is now trying to install the Angular Material CDK and the Angular animations. Now it's again trying to build the project to check for errors. Now Claude Code is trying to run the project. It will be running on port 4200. I'll click on yes. See, the project is ready. We will not go for installation of playwright and all. Okay, I'll close this window as the project is already ready. I'll open up the folder secure app. Okay, this is the code written by Claude. So under the app, under the components, I'm getting login.html, then login.ts file for the business logic. Same goes for user registration HTML and user registration TS. Let's test the login flow. It has correctly captured that I have not written answer. I'll purposely type wrong answer. It is giving me incorrect answer. I'll type 8. Hooray, the login is successful. So the login flow is working fine. We will now move to the registration flow. See, all the boxes are text boxes, only the country is a drop down. Claude Code is working fine. It works wonders. I'll purposely type wrong answer. See, incorrect answer and the registration flow is stopped. I'll type 5. Registration is successful. We will check the local storage. we'll go to inspect element, application, storage. Boom. I can see the user registration data here. It's the beauty of Claude Code. It works as expected. So guys, do comment on the video, do like and subscribe. I'll come back with few more videos about Claude Code soon.